Oh boy, this looks sick. I think I need to go to the Dolomites. And you know what? We gonna camp on top of the mountain. Oh yeah. Alright guys, we finally made it to the Dolomites. Right now we are at Lago di Braies and we are about to search for a place where we can build up our tent. Yeah, and we didn't really expect that we will see snow and will sleep on snow. And we are not even on top of the mountain. Will be kind of rough night, but I think we'll make it. What the fuck, man? We just came here 600 kilometers away from us just to see the Lago di Braies, and you know what? The fucking lake is completely empty. What the hell? Oh boy. Oh, this tent is a bit small. What the fuck? Time to wake up. So sick, man. Hello. Good morning, my friends. Today is the day of preparation. We noticed that the conditions here are a bit worse than we thought. And yeah, we didn't expect that much snow. We literally underestimated the whole situation. It's freezing cold in the nights and we're not even on top of the mountain. Okay guys, so finally we have a new plan. The plan to camp on top of the mountain is completely cancelled. It's not possible there. There's snow like 2 meters high. That's what people told us. And we have a new idea, so we just go for a day trip. So we are going to start here at Lago d'Antorno. We're driving up to the parking space. From there we take a snowmobile up the mountain to Refugio and Auronzo, and from there we have a view to the southern side of the three peaks, and we want to hike along this way to get to the northern view, because this is the most famous view next to Refugio Lavaredo, and it will be tough, but I think it's doable. Let's go! Alright guys, we made it to the freaking plateau on top of the Dolomites, of the three peaks. It was so exhausting, but this is a good example that you need to go out of comfort zone to see the big picture, to experience new things that no one else imagined before. And it was a near-death experience, I wouldn't lie, but it's an experience you will never forget. And this is something rememberable. And this is something rememberable. We made it!
Fucking made it!
Oh man! Hello my friends! Drastic change. We are no longer on top of the Dolomites. Right now we are in the middle of Italy, searching for some waterfalls, and it's really hot here because we're not so high anymore. And yeah, let's see what it's going to look like. for watching. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and maybe share it with your friends. Until the next vlog, now you can see some of the outtakes.
Go! Go, Pascal! Oh.
Feuer halten.
Das ist doch Stainless Steel, oder nicht?
Nee, raus.
Was hast du denn gedacht?
Du hast dir aber auch den krassesten Stock ausgesucht.
Boah, der ist auch viel zu kurz.
Okay guys, so my hiking boots are like an aquarium. It's filled with water. Oh man. Check this out. What the fuck, man? Oh, there's the lake. Nice. We found the lake.